Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's episode I have a beautiful kitchen that we're going to be redoing. It's a small kitchen and we're going to be changing countertops, backsplash, painting, adding a few cabinets, removing the vent hood, making a new custom vent hood cover, adding a peninsula. We're going to do new quartz, electrical for the undermount lighting. So we're going to be doing all that. So I'm going to take you inside, guys.
Here we have this pantry closet that we are demoing, and we are making it wider. We're removing the door jamb, and a couple of 2x4s on each side of the opening. The reason we're doing that is so she can have a little bit more room as she's going in and out. We're also putting shelves in there, new shelves, and we're gonna add a neat feature to this. It's gonna look very nice. It's gonna have undermount drawer space so that she can actually store more items on that small pantry closet. That way she can actually put her spices in there, whatever else that she can put in there is going to be utilizing the whole space. Now we're covering up all the floors and making it look nice and clean, where we're gonna be working on there because it's gonna get messy. It's a kitchen remodel that we're doing. We are removing all the cabinet doors, countertops, stove, hood vent, microwave. Pretty much everything's gonna get got out. And of course we want to protect the floors. We are also doing all the lighting in here. All new can lights, new backsplash, new quartz tops. We're gonna put some new cabinets also. Cabinets that are gonna be staying behind, they're gonna get new fronts, new front doors. We're also gonna add on to the top of the cabinets another section so they can have more storage. All the cabinets that get removed, we are going to replace them with new ones that we are going to build at the shop. And the ones right of the stove, they're going to be brand new. Above the other two cabinets that are left of the stove, we're going to add on to the top. Where the fridge was, we're going to add a new section there. And also right where that light is, we're going to add a peninsula that also we're going to be making. And then the cabinet that's above the dishwasher, right of the dishwasher, that one is going to get removed. And then the whole back wall by the window, all that wall and where the cabinet was, it's all going to get new tile. And we're going to have floating shelves on that right side. It's going to look very, very beautiful.
Hey guys, so here we are. We already did demo. Got rid of that cabinet. This cabinet. We found some termite. We got to leave it here so they can inspect it. And then we're gonna come and replace it so the termite people can check that out. We remove all the backsplash, the upper cabinets over there. We're gonna be doing new cabinets. And of course all new sheetrock here, backsplash. Up here on the top, we're gonna do another cabinet, and then we're gonna build cabinets on top, and of course all new front doors. So this kitchen is gonna look beautiful once we're done with it. And we're gonna do also the undermount lighting. So my electrician will come in here and he'll run the wires. So we have a light here, another one here, and we're gonna have two lights here, one there, and then another light here. So it is gonna look very nice. And also we're gonna do the custom vent hood. We already tested it out, it looks good. That's the one that's gonna go there. And we're gonna make a nice cover for it so it can look kind of modern. In here we have removed all this door jamb here. So now it's an open door jamb. We're gonna have some shelves here, and they're gonna be very neat. So stick around, so you're gonna see these shelvings that I'm gonna do here. Y'all gonna like them. That's something that y'all can do at your home, and it's gonna look very nice, very functional. I'm gonna give her the twice the amount of space in this little space here. So stick around for that, guys. That's pretty much it here. So thanks for watching the channel. We'll see you in the next one. We're going to the shop to unload the trash debris, and then we'll be working at the shop for the next couple of days doing the boxes for all the cabinets, and then we're gonna bring them back. I forgot to mention here we're gonna have the peninsula there. It's gonna be about 17 inches wide, 17 inches to here, and it's gonna be about 5 feet from the wall to here. So it's about 3 feet from the dishwasher out this way, 3 feet. So they're still gonna have about a good 4 feet of space to walk through here. On this side, we're gonna have a door opening here, so she can have storage place on this side, on the dishwasher side, instead of having empty space there. Here, we're just gonna make it look like shaker style, and on the other side, we're gonna have either 2 drawer tops and then 2 bottom doors. Don't know yet, we'll check that out. And of course, once we have the quartz coming out this way, the quartz is gonna come out till about right here, about 2 inches away from the wall, or maybe an inch. So they're gonna have all this nice area we're gonna add on to it, and they're gonna have a nice area to sit down and have breakfast, talk, watch TV. This kitchen is gonna be more inviting, more family friendly, so it's gonna be very nice. And as you guys can see, it's not a big old kitchen, but we're gonna utilize the whole space. All right, guys, so we'll see you guys in the next one.